Hi guys, welcome to our class Sociology. Today's topic is social organization. Myself, Niranjan H, nursing tutor, BLDs, Sri BM Patil Institute of Nursing Sciences. Okay students, today we will discuss about introduction of the social organization, types of social organization, elements of social organization and voluntary associations. So first we will discuss about social organization. So introduction of social organization. Social organization is the organization of society. Society is a web of social relationship. It's a web of social relationship. Web means it's a big one globally. Okay, in this way social organization system of social relationship. It's a system of social relationships means it's a wide means web series, like it's a connected in interconnected in the manner of relationships. So social relationships are the complex. They are composed in numerous small groups. These are only in the not in the complex manner. These are also present in the numerous of small groups. Okay, clusters, like clusters. Okay, so next, if two or more persons establish among them cooperative relation and make concerted efforts, means here the two or more person establish the relationship among them in the manner of cooperative and concert efforts. The state of this cooperative is called as social organization. Here the two or more person establish the relations among them in the manner of cooperative, means interactually, means interacting with each other in effective manner, mean consulted efforts, like state of cooperative is called as social organization. Okay, next we will see exactly what mean by the social organization. So first definition of the social organizations according to Eliot and Merrill. Social organization is a state of being, a condition in which various institutions in society are functioning in the accordance with their recognized or impelled purpose. Here, social organization state of being means we should living in social organization. Okay, in condition in which the various institution in society, there are a n number of institutions are present in our society. They are functioning in the accordance with their recognized, means they are functioning with their responsibility, their cooperatively, and their recognition means they have recognized as a accordance. Their accordance means their suitable and impel purposes. So this is according to Elite and Merrill. So next one, according to Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte is a father of sociology. So according to Auguste Comte, social organization as a general agreement or social consents. Here social organization nothing but it's a general agreement. We have to cooperate with each one. We have to establish the cooperative relationship with each and everyone who all are living in the society. They are the social organization. So the according to Auguste Comte. So this is about definition. So next we will see about elements of the social organization. There are four social means there are four elements of the social organization. First one, goal. Next, status and position. Next, norms and modes. So next, sanction. So here goal is nothing but the member of social organization are interrelated and have unity of interest. Here the social organization are interrelated, they are interconnected, and here they have unity of interest. They are having common interest and unity. They are in a group, they are having the homogeneous unity. All the members try to achieve the common goal. Here you know about cooperation. What do you mean by cooperation? Cooperation nothing but it's a two or more people working or achieving the same things for a common end. Here also same, the members try to achieve the common goal in the manner of interrelated and having the unity of interest. So it's a first element of the social organization goal. So next one, status and position. Status and position here within the organization, the members of are assigned role to perform and occupy the position and status in the organization. Here status is nothing but, as we previous class discussed, status is nothing but it's a hierarchical. It may be in a higher position or lower position. Here members are assigned to role perform. Here they are assigned to perform in the manner of higher and lower classes. They occupy the position as in the descending order. They will occupy the position and status in the organization in the higher and lower status manner. Okay, for example, in the social organization, school principal and other working personnel are designated or designed for the social organization for helping of the students. Who school principal and other working personnel are designed. So this is an example for the status and position. Okay, in the position maybe it may be changed to the higher to the lower and lower to the higher. So next element, norms and modes. Norms are nothing but it's a rules and regulations. It's a nothing but rules and regulations of the particular institution or else the any kind of the organization. The organization function, what is the aim of the norms and modes? The organization runs smoothly. Smoothly means it's having their own rules and regulation. It should be run in the normal manner. Okay, it follows the certain norms and modes. The norms and modes are control the members through the discipline and regularity and punctuality and etc. Okay, so next one, in that norms and modes, they are norms to be followed by the every organization. First one, students should be regular. In the particular one institution, the student should be regular to the college and classes. And next, teacher need to be punctual. In the sense of teacher should be punctual in the manner of conducting the classes, conducting the examinations and counseling the students. So next one, there should be a discipline. Discipline means inside the class and outside the class. How to behave in the inside the class and how to behave in the outside the class. They should be teach by the student by the help of punctuality. They are showing in the punctuality in the classes and students should be regular. Okay, then next one, sanction. Here sanction nothing but every organization follows a system of sanctions. These sanctions are support the norms. Sanction is nothing but it's a grants. Grant should be provided by the management or institution for the further development of the institutions in the manner of if member does not follow the norms, it will be compelled to the follow them through the sanctions. Okay, in the manner of warning and physical punishment. If they are not at all following any time, they will not at all any provide the grant and it will be comes under for the lecturers or any kind of students. If done any mischievous, they will do the, if a member does not follow the norms, they will what will they compelled to follow them through the sanction. They will put on the put on a message to the institution that this kind of student doing like this. Then what the sanction will do, they will warning and physical punishment will be provided. Okay, this is about elements of the social organization. So next, types of organization means types of social organization. In the first, there are two types of social organization. First one, formal organization and informal organization. First one, formal organization and informal organization. So first, formal organization. So in that we will discuss about economic, political and social organization. Here formal organization is nothing but here the economic, political and social condition. There are the formalized organization. Here the formalized organization is nothing but here formal organization are social units which are deliberately created to fulfill the certain needs. Formal means they are having particular policies, having particular rules, having particular regulations in the manner of deliberating the fulfill in certain needs. The first one in that economic Here economics is nothing but in the any kind of financial meetings and any kind of the formal meetings for the economical development, we should for maintaining the formal organization. For example, meetings and all, we are conducting the meeting, we are attending the any kind of meeting, we will follow the formal organization in the manner of any kind of economic organizations or any economic situations. The next, political. In the political meetings and in a political organization, we will maintaining the formal organization. How we are maintaining the organization in the manner of we are following the rules and regulation and norms of the particular political organization. So next, social. Whenever in the social organization, we are maintaining the social norms, social modes and social rules and regulations in the manner of formal. In the formal is nothing but we are maintaining the particular democratic approaches like rules and regulation in the manner of maintaining the or else following the rules and regulations or policies. So in for examples, government offices, political offices, courts and universities and hospital. For example, in the hospital we are maintaining the particular policies like maintaining the silence, hygiene maintaining and etc. So like example, university we are working in a formal manner like providing certificates to the students and renovation and registration like examples. So next, informal organization. Here it's a not a formal one, means here there is a no need of any there is a in that there is a no any kind of followance of the rules and regulation like friendship and group. Here a friendship and group is nothing but it's a peer pressure, means peer group. We are here not maintaining any kind of policy and rules and regulations, we are in a openly open up informal. We are not at all policing any policy and we are not at all maintaining any kind of distance with friendship and group members. And gangs means same things. In the more than 5 members and more than 6 members it come together, it is called as a gang means it's a friends gang or else it's a our family gangs. We will celebrate every policy and everything in the manner of informal way. They are not following any kind of policies like rules and regulations. We should say the good morning, no, we will not following any kind of that. Okay, so next, colleges means here also come for the friends only. We are not any following any kind of rules and regulations. For example, our friend is there, we want to talk with our friend, we are not taking any kind of appointments, we are directly going and talking and making conversation with our friends. Okay, for example, other example for the informal, the bank, colleges, okay, and business places like and hospital also, we are with our colleagues and we are maintaining the informal organization. So this is about formal and informal organization. So next we will discuss about democratic and authoritarian modes of participation. Here democratic modes of participation. Here democratic is nothing but it's a the member of society participating, deciding group matters and behave in a friendly, helpful manner and give technical assistance and suggest various alternatives. Here the democratic means here the every individual and every individual and every member of the society should participate in society developmental plans like maintaining hygiene and maintaining the and not violating the certain kinds of society rules and regulations. The democratic means ourself, means the members who are created the society, we are living in a democratic society. So every member or every individual should participating in deciding group of a matter and behaving friendly. We have to maintaining the informal way with the society. We should maintain the informal way. We should friendly with the society manner and helpful manner, give technique and giving the technical assistance to the one and everyone who are in the lower class, who all are there in higher class, they should give the technical assistance to the who are living in the lower class and suggesting the various kind of alternatives like how to modify the democratic rules and regulations, how to extra gather the and making the power and making the more stronger and more power to the democratic approaches like this kind of democratic modes of participation will be present in the democratic approaches like what is the advantages, what is the helpful for the democratic approaches. There is the first one, less irritability. And next one, irritability means there is a, if we are feeling like a friends and we are feeling like a family in a society, then there is a no irritability among us, there is a less irritability. Yes, there is a presence of irritability, but compared to the autocritic there will be less irritability. So next, less aggressiveness. There are all of our friends only, then how we will show the our aggressiveness? There is a no any aggressiveness, there is a less aggressive. And next, there is a great thing, we having the great satisfaction with society member. If we are cooperate with, if we are interact with each other in a well manner, in behaving a good manner, there will be great satisfaction. So it will provide by the democratic modes of participation. Okay, this is about democratic. So next, autocratic modes of participation. Here the member of the society do not want to participate in framing the policies. Here the autocratic is nothing but the person who is in a particular group having the power to having a power to rule the some others. Means auto means self, the individual having their self control or self power to rule the other ones. They are not at all following any democratic rules and policies, and they are going to framing their policies and rules and regulations. They are going to form their power on the other who all are living in the lower classes, who are in the poor members. They will make their power on them. They were not at all on, means do not participating any kind of democratic approaches like forming the policies, maintaining the rules and regulations, and all. They are the autocratic. Here, the drawbacks of the autocratics are, there is irritability. Mean here irritability, there is no proper communication, there is no any proper cooperation, there is no any proper adjustment, there is no any proper behavior, proper attitude. There will be there is a much more of irritability. So next, aggressiveness. Aggressiveness here, he is having, I am having power, then why should I listen everyone? He is having aggressiveness. He is lifelong going in a aggressive manner, making the poor people to grabbing them. Okay, so next, dissatisfaction. He is not at all having satisfaction because he is only ordering everything. He is making the policy and rules and regulations, is not at all taking any grievance from the lower class people, or who all are there in the poor people. They are not at all taking any grievance. There is a no any satisfaction, there is only in the presence of dissatisfaction. So this is about autocratic and democratic. So next topic is voluntary association. Here, voluntary association term is derived from the Latin voluntas, which means will and freedom. Here, voluntary association is derived from the Latin word like voluntas. So, which will and freedom. Will means having willpower. Freedom means liberty. So, if 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 two things we are having means we are the voluntary association, will and freedom. Willpower means we can do anything, we can do everything. Okay, freedom means we are having the liberty for doing the better things for the society. So exactly what is meant by the voluntary association? Okay, what is voluntary association? So voluntary association means freedom of the association. It it means people have legal right to combine for the promotion of the purposes in which they are interested. Here, voluntary association is nothing but it is a freedom of association. It's a liberty of association. Means he can frame the policies for the betterment of the society. He can do anything in the good manner, in the good behavior. He can do anything for the association. It means that people have the legal right. Legal right means, yeah, right to eat, right to sleep, right to wear, right to stay in India. They are having the legal right to combine for the promotion. Means they will move from one place to another place. Hierarchical movement, like lower to higher and higher to lower, purposes in which they are interested. Where they are interested, they can move from one place to another places. Okay, this is a voluntary association. Voluntary association is nothing but it's a freedom of the association. It can be having legal right of combining for the promotion of the purpose. It can be they're interested. Okay, this is about voluntary association. There is a so many voluntary association are present in our India. So first one, there are 8 voluntary association presently working for the development and growth of the social organization or for the democratic approaches. So first one, voluntary health association of the India. Here voluntary association of health of India is nothing but it's a promoting the health of the society in the manner of voluntary manner. Here there is a no any such a kind of any initiative like from other making power of them power of show to the power to the other people and showing attitude. No, it's a voluntary health association of India. The voluntary health association of the India is a non-profit. There is a no any having as a am a non-profit. It's a only doing work for the society, registered society from the 1970. It's a registration in 1970 and federation is 27 states of voluntary health association. It is having their federation, it is having their organization in 27 states. Okay, so it's a linking together nearly 4500 members institution across the country. So nearly 4500 member institution across the country. Okay, so this is voluntary health association of the India. It's a important policy, means internal policy interventions and campaignings. It's a doing in a means doing how kind of interventions will be helpful for the providing the good things and doing a campaignings. Okay, so this is doing on good things. This is the activities and programs of the Voluntary Health Association of India. There is a health education programs, health books publication, training agency, seminars and workshops. There is the activities of Voluntary Health Association of India. So, next one, MS Swaminathan Research Foundation. Here, register in the MS Swaminathan Research Foundation registered in 1988 as a non-profit trust. Okay, it's a non-profit trust. Okay, the major program was areas incorporate elements of the communication and education as a basic strategies. Here the MS Swaminathan Research Foundation is registered in 1998. Its a main strategies are communication and education. Okay, so next one, Helpage India. So Helpage India is it's a register in or else established in 1979 pattern of society. They are mainly established started in England. So it is an activity for mobile Medicaid the units, rehabilitation of the blind aged, physically handicapped, leprosy patients and cataract operations, mainly related to the aged people in medical side. Okay, in the next one, Lions Clubs. So Lions Club everywhere we can hold anywhere, means any district any country we can get the Lions Club. Lions Club is established January 1879. Birth of the foundation of Lionism, Melvin Jones. It established. It's a Lionism, Melvin Jones. He has established the Lions Clubs in January 1879. Okay, activities are related to health services, diabetic awareness, public services, recreational services, social services, youth exchange programs, and environmental services. These are main activities of the Lions Club. Those are next, Gandhi Gram Institute of Rural Health and Family Welfare Trust. So here it's established in it's established in 1879. Its activities are mainly rural women health, family planning, community participation, nutrition and improvement in the standard of living, family welfare care. There are main activities of Gandhigram Institute of Rural Health and Family Welfare Trust. So next one, search. Search is nothing but it's a Society for the Environmental Awareness and Rehabilitation for the Child and Handicapped Person. Its a main goal on child and who all are there the handicapped person. So main activities of search. So next one, Action and International India. This is also one of the non-profit trust or like NGO. Activities are AIDS awareness program, poverty control and sex worker rehabilitations. So this is main activities of the Action and International India. So next one, the Catholic Health Association of India. The Catholic Health Association of India building a new India for ensuring the better health for an has been Vision and mission of the Catholic Healthcare Institution of India. These are the main activities: disease control and prevention programs, tuberculosis control program, disaster, community health and intervention programs, and leprosy programs. Thank you.